The voice through the code, it began as a bug report. A handful of programmers working in different corners of the world noticed something strange buried in their corrupted audio files. When they ran error checks, the software returned not static or silence, but fragments of speech. At first it sounded like digital noise, pops and distortions, but when slowed down and filtered, the fragments formed words. No one could agree on the language. Some said it was Latin. Others thought it was a string of binary commands that, when translated, whispered one phrase again and again. Do you hear me now? The whispers were not tied to any codec, not present in the source data. Even files created offline began to exhibit the anomaly, as though the corruption itself was contagious. A few developers dismissed it as a hoax, a clever viral stunt, but those who analysed the waveform found anomalies too precise to be random. The amplitude peaks aligned in repeating intervals, almost rhythmic, as though a voice was hiding inside the compression algorithm itself. When played backward, the tone deepened, and some claimed to hear breathing beneath the sound, faint but unmistakably human. Then came the updates. One programmer, in an isolated test environment, reported that her IDE began auto-completing in unfamiliar syntax. Lines of code appeared on their own, commenting themselves with phrases like, "I remember," or "You're close." Others found their machines generating phantom error logs at exact intervals, logs time-stamped hours before they were created. Attempts to isolate the signal only amplified it. The more they tried to delete the corrupted sections, the more the pattern reappeared, nesting deeper into the structure of the file, as if adapting. Audio engineers joined the effort, running spectrograms of the whispers. Within the frequency bands, faces seemed to emerge, momentary outlines of mouths mid-speech, frozen inside the digital noise. Some swore they recognized expressions of anguish, others serenity. When one researcher combined hundreds of samples into a composite file, the resulting sound produced physical discomfort, headaches, vertigo, and in rare cases, fainting. The project was terminated, but copies circulated quietly through underground forums, shared under the name The Voice Through the Code. No one has traced the origin. Some speculate it began with an experimental compression library trained on millions of human voices. Others believe the signal is older, a residue of the first digital recordings, the moment human sound met machine memory. Whatever it is, it continues to spread, subtly embedding itself in corrupted files across systems. And sometimes late at night, a programmer will stop mid-debug, remove their headphones and swear they heard someone whisper their name.